Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to add rows and columns in Canva. So the first step is to open a browser. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com. Now on the top right corner, you can see this create a design button. Click on it and create your desired template. After that, first you have to create a table. And to do that, first click on elements and search table. Now here you can see different table option. Click on see all and choose your desired table. Now after that, you can resize this table as of your preference, and if you right click, then you can see these different options. Here you can see add column option. If you click on this, then it will add a new column in your table. And again, to add row, right click and here you can see add row option. Click on it, and as you can see that it will add a new row in your table. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.